And it should not be visible at all. Tinkerbell, what are you doing, man? Look how quick it goes. It's crazy how fast it is. It's just nuts. I'll never find that object again. That must be the whole point of the whole thing. It's a super distraction. That could be a head and shoulders. Oh, you're back already. Let's see, it's going to take 5 hours to put all your footage in here. Look at this. And folks, that is not a bat. If you want to see video of a bat, I have it. And they look just like a bat, and they're black. Anyway, just so you know, that treetop there is about 40 feet away. 37 to 40. So I've ranged all this stuff. I have one of these night visions with a rangefinder in it, but the frame rate is too slow on it, so I don't use it. That's why I don't use it. If I have to follow a high-speed UFO across the sky, I just can't do it. It blurs it out. This one doesn't do that. It's a bird. It's a big bird. And that's not from sun reflection either. It's just illuminated. It could be an air refueler, but I don't think so. I don't know what the hell jet that is. But it is fully illuminated. The whole belly's lit. It's not reflection either.